Hello everyone and a warm welcome to Apen Art Beginners course. So first of all, let me give you a quick introduction to Apen Art. Apen is basically an art form of Uttarakhand. The art is done mainly during special occasions and festivals on the floors and walls of puja rooms and entrances of homes using geru, that is a brick red color, and white paste made of rice flour. So only two colors are used in this art form, that are red and white. People also believe that it invokes a divine power which brings good fortune. So these days Apen is very popular and it is made on wide range of things, be it cushion covers, wall decor, puja thali and whatnot. So let's learn this beautiful art form in an easy way. Coming to the materials that are required for the course, the very first thing that you'll need are red colored sheets. So they can be A4 or A5 in size, and you can get ivory sheets because they are thick sheets. Or otherwise you can also use any cartridge sheets in case you don't get these red colored sheets. So you can use any drawing paper or cartridge sheets for practice initially, but for the painting we will need red colored sheets only. Now coming to colors, so as I have told you, in this art form only two colors are required, that are red and white. So I have these acrylic ones here from the brand Fevicryl. You can use any other brand also, not a problem. And these colors will be required after the course completion for projects that we will be making. So if you are interested in making the projects after you have learned the Apen art properly, so then you will be going for these acrylic colors. Now after that you will need gel pens. So here I have white Uniball Signo 0.7. You can take any other gel pen also, but this gel pen is a good one. So I have used these in my most of the paintings. And you will also need a black gel pen if you will use white sheets for practice, or you can even use a pencil initially. Now coming to the brushes, so here I have a thin brush of number 0. Now this is a thick round tip brush number 12 and a flat brush number 8. So these brushes also you will need for projects only, not in the beginning. After that you have to keep some basic things handy like a ruler, a pencil and an eraser, and a compass to draw circles. So these are the basic things that you will need for the Apen Art Beginners course. Not a much of material is needed for this one. So that's all for the introduction video. The course videos will be provided shortly, so stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications easily. Thanks for watching.